Hello, David here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we are on a 2026 Boston Whaler 25 Dauntless. This boat has a light blue exterior color. The Dauntless is known for its low gunnel and large casting platform up front. We have our bow cushions here with our seating package. All these cushions are easily removable. They also will flip up for backrest. Up here in the center we have our large box. This is lockable for rod storage. They would sit down in there. You can put plenty of stuff in there, water sports, toys. This cushion is also removable. As we move back to the helm, you can see we have our isinglass right up front, our stainless steel steering wheel, large Simrad screen, vessel view, JL audio, VHF radio, trim tabs, and of course digital throttle, digital shift. Compass is center with a charge port up there as well. Move over to the seating. We have our flip down bolsters with flip up armrest. So we come to the back of the chair. There's plenty of storage down here. We have drawers and of course the whaler bucket. On the aft we have a large casting platform with flip up seats and a live well center. We brought this boat in with a 300 horsepower Mercury V8. It's available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down and take a look.